Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see the wonderful opportunity to the graduates. Okay, so if you are having any specialization, then you may apply to this one, guys. So here there is an immediate recruitment regarding the work from home jobs or else the online tutor jobs, and approximately you may get monthly 35,000 rupees per month. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so from Internshala website, here we got this notification, guys. So you can trust this one 100%. Okay, so it is a remote education counselor job at Open House, and I will show you the official website of this one also. So it is the official website of this one. Okay, so it is a 100% trustable website as well as a trustable job, guys. And here you may work from home. Okay, and the start date immediately, and here the annual pay is given 3 to 4.2 lakhs per annum, and you may apply by 16th May 2021. So that is the last date to apply, guys. And already the 1000 plus applicants are already applied. And coming to this one, okay, Open House is reimagining the future of after school education, and we believe learning is not about the rat race but about enjoying the process. And once if you selected for this one, then what are your key responsibilities? Nothing but work on owning the end-to-end sales journey for the new and returning customers, and build relationship with the parents and students through continued engagement, primarily over the phone and text. Work on sharply identifying the customers' needs and pain points and counsel them appropriately in order to convert to closure, and support the sales process through accurate and timely data entry on CRM and other data management tools, and collaborate with other internal teams to ensure the seamless operations. Okay, so these are the responsibilities that you have to do here. That means here apart from the tutoring, it is mostly the counseling type of job it is. And coming to the who can apply. So the candidates must enjoy the challenge of working in fast-paced and startup environment, and ability to adapt change, execute fast and learn, high attention to deal and comfortable in managing the multiple leads with different needs, and must have the persistence and must have empathetic and high on communication, must be able to appropriate the role of data in supporting process, and must have a bachelor's degree. So fluency in written and spoken English and spoken Hindi required. So familiarity with Kannada or Bengali preferred, and should have an internship or project based experience exemplifying the mindset highlighted above, and experience in sales or customer service or other customer facing roles would be preferred. Okay, and the salary is mentioned here. So 4.2 lakhs per annum means nearly you may get the 35,000 per month, and here the health insurance is also provided for this one, and the number of openings are the 5. Okay, and I will provide this website link in the description box of this video, so you just simply click on that one. No need to search separately in the Google, and then after directing to this link, then just click on the apply now here, and next the registration process will start. And after completion of the registration and submission of your details, then by that you can able to apply to this job. Okay, so please find out the responsibilities, key responsibilities, and as well as the what you have to do after selecting for this job, and what are the requirements you must have. Okay, so once if you are comfort with both these two, then you can start applying, guys. Okay, so here few teaching vacancies are also there. Okay, but that is not mentioned here. Okay, most of the part here in this notification they mentioned about only the counseling and these things. Okay, so if you are interested, then you may apply, guys. Okay, later you can slowly convert into the teaching the subjects and all these things. Fine. So for more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC candidates who are preparing for the UGC exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide